You don't need any cash this time?
No, I'm taken.
You can still talk to me as a friend of benefit.
No, I don't want to
Alright people, wagwan. You don't know, it's the troublemaker god there, DJ Bobajoe himself. And from the see me right here, in the lair, in the place, in the cave. You don't know what this prank isn't gonna be normal, my brother. You see me? So right about now, I don't know what this prank is all about because I see it in the bio, in the title part there, so. And you know the thing go, before we get in the video, you know what this means. It means say you, all the viewers should like, subscribe and share and leave a comment if you have something positive to say. You see me? Liking and sharing the video will help you live longer. You see me? Live all until you're 110 on them ages. You see me? So make sure you like the video, share the video and subscribe. You see me? So let's go right into this banger. Bruh! So hopefully the internet is strong enough. You see me? So go up on the dial. You see it? So I call the girl, the lady. Go for the internet turkey. Alright, turn. So she declined the call. She declined the call, people. You know when she declined the call. Alright, so I turn on the screen recorder because if she declined the call, that means that I gotta text her, man. I gotta text her. I gotta say, yo, big up to all America, big up to all Jamaica, we watch the videos them, and big up to all United Kingdom, Bahamas, the whole place. Everybody, any country, we watch the video then, big up themselves. Alright, so make sure so the screen recorder turn on, you see me? Cause a prank can now go normal for Valentine's, so I just save as phone turn on screen.
Save as pranking one. Let me can't show a number on people. Sorry about that. Cannot show a number. Oh. Okay, so let me turn on the screen recorder. So the screen recorder starts in 2, 1, begin!
So the screen recorder is up and running right now. So she said, who the fuck is this and how did you get my number? That is what she's saying, you know. Who the TF is this and how did you get my number? I'm gonna say I'm Adam. Can we talk? I'm gonna say I'm Adam. I'm Adam. That is what I'm gonna say. I'm Adam. I'm gonna say, can we talk on the call? She's American, by the way. You know, the World Troublemaker Squad always come back with some epic prank. By the way, this girl is one of my friend wife, you see me? The man's wife, you see me? So you know what he thinks it. So right now, you check her out if she's a gold digger and if she's loyal to me, you see me? But I bring up one bag of things say about Valentine's Day, which is today. So I just got my score. So So if you see on the screen, you'll see what she a text say. She a say, no TF, I don't know you. You see me? So she say, oh the F did you get my number? She's typing once again, people, if you not see it on the screen, you see it? Make sure some like up this, isn't it? No, we can talk, I'm taking so, but the F off. TF off. Oh Jesus. So she's typing again. Well, she's a liar. So I'm just gonna say I'm not trying to take it from a man. So I'm voice note them now send people so I can't send a voice note, you see me? Oh boy. I didn't even start to text this girl and tell her so yo I want her and stuff. Why she's being so defensive already and she don't know the point of what this is all about, man. So she's saying about what? I don't even know you. How the hell did you get my number? So I'm gonna say we text on Instagram. I'm gonna say we text on Instagram, isn't it? So when she see this text about we text on Instagram, I'll basically find out say yo, let me see if I something I record. She'll basically find out say yo, we used to text and probably she give in and make me start to prank the real way, isn't it? So she not giving, she's really defensive. Yo bro, your girl is liar, man. So she's declining my calls, so I cannot call her because she's declining them. So I'm gonna call her once again. Oh, she declined it again. She have declined it. You're trying to do this the wrong way, man. You're trying to do this the wrong way. I just need to talk to you. I just need to talk to you. So the voice note them now send because the screen recorder. You see me? So I'm gonna turn off the screen recorder for once. You see me? Hello, hello. So I'm not trying to do nothing. I'm not trying to take you from your man or nothing like that. You see me? I just need to talk to you the real way. So just get forward with it and let's talk. Alright, so hopefully she'll listen that and start show some vibes, you see? Hello. So I'm not trying to do nothing. I'm not trying to take you from your man or nothing like that. I just need to talk to you the real way. So I'll just get forward with it. Let's talk. She's real protective, man. No, she's protective. No, she be one give no five, she not take no chat or nothing. She just want to know who's this and what's my Instagram name and whatever. Okay, so no, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna go on her Instagram page and check out who she's following and who's following her and you gonna upload her. So she's saying, what's your Instagram name, huh? You say we friends on there. I don't believe that shit. Me never remember what she name, cause the dog not tell me her name. Oh, so she's hard for giving a prank probably a feel because she's a light type of girl, you see me? And you know the premium stuff. So I tell her, so my Instagram profile get blocked So me know the on Instagram again and one bag of excuse, you understand? That is how we roll, isn't it? So let me start this way. You know my Instagram profile got blacked, so they have deleted my profile, so I ain't on Instagram anymore. Okay, I hope this works. Okay, I just got her name. Just got her name, isn't it? I don't know you, so my answer is dashing no, isn't it? So you know my Instagram profile got black, so they have deleted my profile, so I ain't on Instagram anymore. So Crystal, you literally know me, so please stop say you don't know me. You know me, okay? Okay, I've just changed up and all those stuff. Remember me? It's Adam, aka Jacob. Okay, so she's saying no, she mean no, blah blah blah. You know what things like. So she's typing her once again, isn't it? So she's typing once again. So I'm just gonna she's asking me for a picture. I can't send her a picture, you see me? So I'm gonna tell her it's the billionaire boy from down the hood, you know? It's the billionaire boy from down the hood.
Oh, no, the kid is the bad.
What? What me a chat say? Why, brother? Why? Why, umbre? So I'm gonna say it's the billionaire boy from down. It's the billionaire nigga from Hollywood. It's the billionaire bro, man. It's the millionaire bro from down the road. I'm just calling you from Valentine's Day because I want to know what gift you want, man. And I want to know what gift you need. Because I'm just wrapping out some gift and I need to send you your gift. So stop being so hard, man. Stop being so hard, Crystal. We ain't roll like this, man. Oh, the net is moving shaky, my people. So she keeps saying, I don't know you. You know? She's saying, I don't know you, I don't know you. I think if I use my international number, it really would have shake up. But I'm using my Jamaican number, so it's gonna be quite difficult more. Because you know, so yeah, that is an international shipping number, isn't it? So you know the root of the footer is, so she say take a dashing picture, you know? So she a type once again, isn't it? She a type, so she say, so I asked her, do you want me to send over some chocolate or what? So she said, whoever the dash is, I said no. So she literally not a go. Do you still have that cash app? I want to send you some cash. I just want to send you some cash, man. Just tell me if you still have that cash app so I can send you over some money, man. That record, isn't it? So I gotta speak and study English, isn't it? So let's do it. So do you have cash app and want to send you some money? So, do you have cash app? Hopefully she say yes, and if she say yes and she give me her cash app, that means she's a literally gold digger. Yeah. Cause if you realize she said no in the previous videos and all that stuff. And if she, you know, give me her cash app and send me to send money to her cash app, that means she's a gold digger, isn't me, brother? And I know I say no girl in my IG them talk to can't be no gold digger, isn't me? That is how we roll, isn't me? We don't talk to gold diggers. Or PayPal or something like that.
A few moments later.
Alright people, so you know, so me just reach home and Alright, so the prank call start now because me just reach home and she a call right now. She's calling down my phone like hell, but me kind of feel so the prank did fail, but not look like it fail. So I'm just gonna call her back. She just gonna call and show me set up the camera and stuff. So never got to start the camera yet until now, you see. So I'll call her back now. Hopefully you not hear me. Hear the call. So she's declining the call. She was just calling. So I'm gonna say call back. Okay, she's calling. Hey, sorry about that. Hello?
How did you get my number? Hello?
I hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
No, who is this?
This is Adam.
What was your Instagram?
I'm not on Instagram anymore.
But what was it?
It was Adam360.
You said Adam?
Yes, Adam360. I was asking what you want me to get you from Valentine's Day this year.
But I don't need anything.
You don't need any cash this time?
No, I'm taken.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. You can still talk to me as a friend of benefit.
No, I don't want to though.
Are you that type of loyal girl?
Hmm?
Are you that type of loyal girl? You're loyal like that?
Yeah, I'm loyal.
That's really bad.
It's not bad.
We used to talk though.
No, I don't think we did.
Are you not remembering?
No, I don't know who this is.
Oh boy. Cannot believe you don't remember me, Adam.
I never talked to a person named Adam.
No. Have you ever heard about Adam and Eve?
No.
Like really don't heard about Adam and Eve?
No.
Eve at the apple?
No.
Okay. Okay then. So you don't need no PayPal, Cash or Cash App, cash?
No, I don't need that.
The last time I sent you some Cash App, cash.
No, you never did.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
It was 3 years ago. 3 years ago.
No, you never did.
So
You must have the wrong person.
really, Crystal, this is not a wrong person.
No, because I think it is because, like, I don't know who this is.
Do you want to know who's this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Adam from Jamaica.
Oh.
I'm 25-year-old. I'm 25.
Yeah, I don't know who you are.
But you want to know me. So you can ask the question.
No, I don't want to know you, though. I don't know you. You won't even tell me how you got my number.
You send me your number from Instagram before I got blocked and deleted.
Blocked by who? By who?
Instagram.
I was never following somebody named Adam.
My profile name was Adam360.
I never followed you then, because I don't know what you're talking about. Because I would have you blocked. I don't have you in my thing.
Okay. We can get to know each other though.
taken.
I like you still though.
But I'm taken. And I don't know who you are.
So you don't want anything for this Valentine's Day? Like, really, Crystal? You're joking, man.
I told you I'm taken, and I don't know who you are.
Because you don't want to know who I am.
You're 25.
Yeah.
Yeah, way too old for me.
Not really.
No, yeah, really.
Not really. So she hang up people. I try to find a picture. I try to find a picture and send her, you see me? Cause if me don't send her a picture, God for me. So I send her I send her a skilly bang picture. What? What? Find a calm picture for send her. I'll send her one of my G picture.
So she talking. Somebody tell her.
Crystal, anything you want I can get you. I can give you anything you want. What does it take to you to realize that I am Adam? Adam that you even used to talk to. Adam that you even used to be with. So she's saying I don't even know you. So the prank is working. I thought it was failed already, but continuing. Is that? So she's seeing the voice note. She's not replying. So she's saying we have never talked. Never once talked. That is what she's saying. So I'm asking her to call back. Like, really, I ain't a creep. Oh man, you're calling me a creep. Like, really, Crystal, you're calling me a creep. Oh my God. I was just trying to be nice. I was just trying to get you another Valentine's Day gift this year. Like, really, I know you have it, man. I don't care. Oh my God. So, you don't know what the banger prank is working on. You don't know this is... She's not a gold digger. For sure. She's a liar girl to the G. Although this is a gold digger prank, but she don't want nothing, you see? Like, really, I ain't a creep. Oh man, you're calling me a creep. Like, really, Crystal, you're calling me a creep. Oh my God. I was trying to be nice. I was just trying to get you another Valentine's Day this year. Really, I know you have it, man. I don't care. Oh my God. Yo, I love this prank. So people, you don't know, so the merch them out. Make sure you go get your merch. You don't know, we have a discount and you can get your merch at a 10% discount. Use the code Troublemaker, and you can click my buy my merch in the description. Click the link there and buy the merch and use the discount code that is Troublemaker. You see? So she said, I said leave me alone. I mean it. I don't even dashing know you. Okay, Crystal. Okay. I think you are a wonderful lady. I think you're really a wonderful lady. Gotta say, you are really wonderful. So, this is the end of this video. You know what I think, go? So, me I tell her, say it's a gold digger prank. I'm sending all this to my BF. So back off. Okay, I'm backing off. Just got to know this is a prank. By the way, this is a gold digger loyal test prank. And big up yourself because you're loyal to my bro. You see me? You don't know what things that, you know, Crystal. Big up yourself straight out. You see me? Epic prank. You got prank, although yeah, here's not a gold digger. By the way. You see me? Alright, so this is the end of this video. Big up yourself straight out, straight forward, you know what things set. You see me? Okay.